Want better organic rankings on Amazon? The secret's in your PPC search term report. I'll show you how to use it in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. You can see from utilizing this organic search, our client sales increased, and right now they're at 17,000 in the past 30 days. So increasing your organic ranking does help. But the first thing that you want to do is figure out what your organic rank is. Did you know there's an organic rank? Not your sales rank, your organic rank. How many times are you showing up on Amazon? So what you want to do, there's a link in the description to Helium 10. There's a free trial. You can try it out. One of the best Amazon tools in the game. You're going to find your product. You can see our product. It's making $1,000 a month. Nothing crazy. We just want to see what the organic rank is. So you're going to go into tools, into Helium 10, Cerebro. And what we're going to do is click get keywords, right? And then what we're going to do is see what our organic rank is. It's 885, right? We want to get this to 1,000. Okay, 885 means we show up 885 times on Amazon. So if somebody types in anywhere fireplace, we show up. If somebody types in Smurf fire pit, that counts as number 2. We show up. If somebody types in radiant portable campfire, that's number 3. We show up 3 times. So you can see we show up 885 times organically, which isn't bad, but it's not that good. What we can do is we can see what is our competitor that's making more money than us. So we can look at portable campfire and then look at a competitor right now. So you can see right now we're making like 1,000, 2,000 a month. Our competitor right here, they're making 16,000 a month. What's their organic rank? Copy their ASIN, plug it into, delete yours, plug it into here. So again, ours was 885. Theirs is 2,405. So their organic rank is much, much better than ours. Probably because they're optimizing their listing. They've been on Amazon for a lot longer, right? But they're getting seen, what is it? Triple as much as us. That's why their sales are over triple our sales, right? So we definitely want to get seen more. And sometimes it's just one search term that makes a difference. Like if they see the ranking for the keyword ranking is camping essentials, that's an extra 500,000 searches a month. So if they're getting seen an extra 500,000 times, that's probably, it could just be one keyword that changes your game. So in order to do that, what I recommend is, of course, you can look at what keywords they're ranking for, but if you want to get actual data on what's going to help, you're going to be pulling a search term report. So to pull a search term report, you're going to go into your Amazon ads. I hope you're running ads. If you're not, this won't work. You do need to run ads. Create a campaign, run it for 30 days at least, and then go to sponsored ads reports. And then what you're going to do is you're going to pull a basic sponsored ads report. Click create report. Instead of the last 30 days, go as long as possible. Usually it's only like 60 days. And the day before today, save it, and then run that report. Once it's done, you're going to refresh a few times. It might take 5 minutes, okay? Refresh it, and then you're going to open it up. And then you have a lot of different data, right? You want to filter and make sure it only shows the data for the product you want to optimize, right? So you can do different portfolios, whatever product, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products here. The products are all exactly the same. So I'm just going to leave them all. But if your products are different, you want to make sure you filter it. So go to the top, filter it. Then we're going to hide. And then what we're going to do is make sure we just show column C, column J. Oh, hide. Is it working? There you go. CJ, KLPQ. KLPQ. We're going to hide the rest. So now we've got all that showing. CJKLPQ. And then what you want to do is go into column number Q. And you're going to remove all the blanks. Okay. Now this might seem difficult, but it's not super difficult once you do this a few times. And then you're going to go to the smallest, filter by the smallest to largest. The smaller, the better. And what this is showing is actual keywords that customers are typing in and buying your product with, right? Oops, I just deleted that. So right now, somebody's typing in heavy duty grocery bags and we made $800 in sales. So what we want to do is see, does our actual listing in the title, this would be a great one, heavy duty grocery bags, does that have that in the title? If it doesn't, we should be adding keywords like this either to the title, to your bullet points, to your description, right? But right now, what I want to focus on is just your title and your bullet points. If you don't know where to put it, you've got so much area to add things in your bullet points. So your bullet points is going to be the go-to. So what we can do is open up a listing, and let's just say that this is our listing right here. So it's biodegradable thank you bags, right? So something completely different. And what we want to do is add some keywords in here. So heavy duty grocery bags. This one looks super duper good. This one's just too long. And the thing is, I want to add it into either my title, my bullet points, exactly the way it looks. So if it says heavy duty grocery bags, I don't want to put heavy in the title and then duty in the bullet points and then grocery bags somewhere else. I want it to be just like this, right? This is called a long tail keyword. So this is a winner. And we're going to pick a couple more plastic shopping bags. Make sure we have that. Thank you, plastic bags. And then you can see how much money. I like this one. So we can see this one made 300 biodegradable thank you bags. This one made $219. This one already has thank you bags, so we're good. Okay, we're just going to add 3. So all you have to do, you only have to add a couple, right? You don't have to add them all. You don't want to mess up your listing too much or mess up your listing at all. But what we're going to do is just see first, do we have any of these in our keywords already? So we're going to find our listing. We're going to do Control F, Control V. You can see heavy duty grocery bags is nowhere in our title or our bullet points. What about plastic shopping bags? Nope. What about biodegradable thank you bags? Yes. Biodegradable thank you bags is right in the title. So we're not doing duplicate keywords. So we're only going to be adding these 2 keywords. So what I'm going to do, I really like the heavy duty grocery bags. So I'm probably going to add that in the title. So biodegradable thank you bags, 500 count bulk, extra thick, strong, recyclable, and reusable. 100%. I mean, I have biodegradable in here twice, but I think I would add it right here. Biodegradable shopping bags, and I'm just going to put probably heavy duty grocery bags in the title. So I would optimize the title, or if you don't want to mess up the title, you've got so many bullet points you can add. You can now usually have 10 bullet points. If you didn't know that, check it out. You can usually have 10. So add some more bullet points and then add these keywords in, right? And then what you want to do is every 60 days, you're going to want to check back and check and add more keywords, right? So I'm only showing 2 right now, but what I should be doing is adding at least 5 to 10 new keywords, if possible, every 60 days, right? So switching out old keywords, adding new keywords, switching out old keywords, adding new keywords. And again, this is actual data that customers are typing in to find and buy your product. So yes, this will make a difference. And yes, you will be able to go back and be like, oh my gosh, my organic score is increasing. So it's a good idea to also track your organic score. And it also shows you a history. Let's see if it shows you a historic trend of the organic. I don't think it shows you historical of your organic. Oh, here we go. Organic. There we go. So you can see your historical trend of your organic rank. And you'll notice that if you stop doing stuff, your organic rank will decrease. And the more you do this every 60 days, which a lot of people don't do, this is what's going to get you ahead. And again, it just takes one keyword that makes the difference. So again, I showed you one strategy where you can see what keywords your competitors are using and try to implement these. And then the second one, and this one usually works the best, is looking at exactly what keywords the customers are already typing in to buy your product and doubling down on those, right? So a lot of different things in today's video. I hope you took away from it. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, getting your organic rank higher, or just selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be fully managing your inventory. Every 60 days, we're optimizing your SEO, even 30 days if needed in the beginning. call Amazon, customer service, advertising, design, increasing sales, removing fakes, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you can spend time working on expanding your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, making sure your business is running smoothly and helping you save time, money, and increasing your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.